Bonjour à tous, vous êtes bienvenus dans la classe aujourd'hui. Ce matin, on va considérer savoir dire ce qu'on mange. On va essayer d'identifier ce qu'on mange, les exemples de ce qu'on mange, les exemples des nourritures et des aliments. Okay? Good day, everyone. You're welcome to class today. This morning, we are going to identify what we eat. The topic for today is how to say what we eat. Savoir dire ce qu'on mange. So we are going to we will try to say in French what we eat, the food we eat, the fruits we eat, etc. OK? La semaine passée, on a commencé avec le verbe manger et on a conjugué le verbe manger dans la classe. Last week, we started the class with the conjugation of the verb manger. We were able to conjugate the verb manger and we said manger is a verb to eat. We gave the conjugation, the personal pronouns, the accurate verb tenses, and we tried to pronounce them in French. Okay, let me take a recap before I proceed with what we have for today. Okay, when we conjugated the verb manger, we said it means to eat. It is a verb to eat. And we began by using the first person pronoun je. Je mange means I eat or I am eating. We conjugated the verb in the present tense, not past, not future. We conjugated in the present tense. And we began by saying, je mange, I eat or I am eating. Tu manges, you eat or you are eating. That's singular, one person. Il mange, he is eating. Elle mange, she is eating. Nous mangeons, we are eating. Vous mangez, you are eating. Il mange, masculine plural, they eat. Elle mange, feminine plural, they eat or they are eating. Okay, let me take it again from the top without the translations. Je mange, tu manges, il mange, elle mange, nous mangions, vous mangez, il mange, elle mange. Okay, I always tell you we do not conjugate verbs in isolation. We use them to make sentences. So, in order to make complete sentences now, we are going to take les aliments ou bien les nourritures. In order to make complete sentences with the verb already conjugated, we will take what we eat. So, we can make a complete sentence and say, I am eating what? I am eating rice. You are eating what? You are eating beans. He is eating bread. She is eating fish, etc. Okay, I'm going to give examples of what we eat right now, and I'll start with the first one. The first one is du pain. Du pain. Du pain means bread. The second one is du riz. Du riz. Du riz means rice. The third one is du gâteau. Du gâteau. Du gâteau means cake. Another one is des haricots. Des haricots means beans. And still another one is la pomme de terre. La pomme de terre means potato. Another one is the yam. The yam means yam. Another one is du biscuit. Du biscuit, oh, like it sounds, I'm sure we know what it means. And another one is de la salade. De la salade, I'm sure we know what it means. Another is du poulet. Du poulet means chicken. Another one is des œufs. Des œufs means eggs. Okay, I have listed some examples of what we eat. Right now, let's take examples of the sentences. Okay, we'll bring in the verb manger and add it to what we eat to get a complete sentence. Okay, sentence number one using je mange. Je mange, like I said, it means I eat or I am eating, okay? Qu'est-ce que tu manges? What are you eating? The sentence is, je mange du riz. Je mange du riz. I am eating rice. Sentence number 2. Phrase numéro 2. Sentence number 2. Qu'est-ce qu'il mange? What is he eating? Il mange la pomme de terre. Il mange la pomme de terre. He is eating potato. Sentence 3. Qu'est-ce qu'elle mange? Qu'est-ce qu'elle mange? What is she eating? The answer is, elle mange du gâteau. Elle mange du gâteau. Sentence 4. Phrase numéro 4. Qu'est-ce que vous mangez? Qu'est-ce que vous mangez? It means, what are you eating? What are you eating? Okay. The answer is, we are eating. We are eating. Okay, let's say we are eating chicken. It is, nous mangions. Nous mangions du poulet. Let me take it from the top again. I'm going to take like 8 examples of the sentences, expressions of what we eat and the verb. Okay? I begin. Je mange du riz. Je mange du riz. Il mange du gâteau. Il mange du gâteau. Elle mange du pain. Elle mange du pain. Nous mangeons des haricots. Nous mangeons des haricots. Vous mangez la pomme de terre. Vous mangez la pomme de terre. Il mange du poulet. Il mange du poulet. Et finalement, and finally, elle mange du spaghetti. Elle mange du spaghetti. Okay, so I just gave you 8 different sentences now using the verb manger and what we eat, foods we eat. I took it slowly and I repeated twice to enable you repeat after me and get the accurate pronunciations. So I am sure that we all know how to make sentences with the verb manger that we conjugated last week. Okay, I said earlier that I was going to list examples of what we eat and also list examples of fruits we eat. Fruits we eat. Okay, we have many different kind of fruits. I'm just going to list a few because I want you to know how they are pronounced. I want you to know what they are called in French. Okay, I'm going to take the first one. The first example, apple, pineapple. And pineapple in French is called l'ananas. L'ananas. Example 2 is, I'm going to take banana. Banana in French is la banane. La banane. The third one is pawpaw. Pawpaw. What is it called in French language? It is called la papaye. La papaye. The fourth one is apple. What is apple called in French? It is called la pomme. The fifth one is an orange. An orange, what is it called in French? It is l'orange. L'orange. The sixth one is cucumber. What do we call cucumber in French language? It is le concombre. Le concombre. The next one I'm going to take is watermelon. How do we pronounce watermelon in French? It is la pastèque. La pastèque. And the last one I'm going to list for today is coconut. What do we call coconut in French language? It is la noix de coco. La noix de coco. Great. I'm sure we enjoyed the lesson. I'm sure we've learned a whole lot. How to use the verb conjugated, the verb manger to make sentences, and how to express ourselves when we talk of what we eat, the various kinds of food we eat, and also how to pronounce food, fruits fruits in French language. So just the way we made examples with the food we eat, we can do so also with the fruits we eat. For example, I am eating watermelon. I am eating watermelon. It is je mange la pastèque in French. Je mange la pastèque. Then another example is he is eating banana. He is eating banana becomes il mange la banane. Il mange la banane. And let me give a last one. The last example, she is eating coconut. It is elle mange la noix de coco. Elle mange la noix de coco. Great. Well done, everyone. I expect you to make your own sentences to practice the pronunciation so you get the accurate pronunciation. Well done. Thank you very much for coming to class. Thank you for listening. I will be asking you to give more examples of sentences using the verb manger and what we eat. Don't forget, I said the topic is savoir dire ce qu'on mange. Savoir dire ce qu'on mange. How to say what we eat. OK? Merci beaucoup et au revoir.